Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, this would be a very simple DIY, and it is changing of the boot LED. For this modification, we will be using the original boot LED light, which is on the top of the roof liner. So the wiring is very simple. You're just using the existing one, so the red wire goes to red and the black wire goes to the black. So that was the testing of the product. So right now, to the installation, just pull down slightly on the roof and you'll be able to access it underneath the roof liner. So over here is the same. The red goes to red and black goes to black. And over here, once it's done, right, okay, use some electrical tape or heat shrink. This is just a precaution because most likely you won't be touching this part as it is on the roof. So right now, tuck it back in to its original position and adjust the wire accordingly. Please do not pull too hard on the wire because it might come out. So right now, adjust the wire all the way to the corner of the boot where you will start the LED light. I'll be just running it down all the way to the start point of the LED light. This is very straightforward and easy. Just tuck it underneath the rubber tubing. Over here, this is the weatherproof rubber gasket between the boot door and your car body. Yeah, and over here is just a tedious process of slotting it in. The only difficult part I feel for this project is when you are putting in the LED, the weight of the remaining LED will actually pull it down again. Yep. So if you have a partner helping you with this, it will be much easier. For me, I'm doing this all alone as my wife does not like me doing all these things to the car. Yep. But this is really a very cheap LED, and links to the items will be in the description down below. Do check them out, and you can see I'm just slotting it in all the way to the other side. After slotting it in for a while, you will start to get the hang of it, and it will become easier because as the LED gets shorter, it is actually lighter and it is much easier to slot it in because the weight will not pull out the ones that you have already installed. This whole installation actually took me about, I would say, less than 20 minutes because I was really careful and all this. These are the before and after results. Do check them out. You can see it is much brighter and much clearer, and when you are looking for things at night, it is really much easier. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe. Links to the items will be in the description down below. Alright guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy modding your car. Bye.